Okay, today I'm going to do a segment called Why Shoppers Love This. We only focus on 5-star products from the site and why people feel that way. And our topic for the day, SkinCeuticals Phloretin CF. All right, first things first, what is it? Phloretin is an antioxidant that protects against UVA and UVB rays and against free radical damage. If you've heard of SkinCeuticals CF Ferulic, this is its counterpart for oily and acne-prone skin. Using Phloretin, an antioxidant derived from apple tree bark, L-ascorbic acid, and ferulic acid, it corrects existing skin damage, diminishes hyperpigmentation, helps acne-prone skin, and improves the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Now, what are people saying? Like I said, it has an average of 5-star reviews, and out of 122 reviews, 118 are 4 and 5 stars. Here are some examples. My skin looks healthier, plumper, and generally more balanced. At 37, people still mistake me for someone in their 20s. My dermatologist recommended Phloretin CF to me last year. I've been using it faithfully, and I can really tell a difference in the improved texture of my skin. I love that it sinks right in. I have oily skin, and I can wear sunscreen and makeup over it with no problems. My skin looks amazing for 52 years old. For me, this is a must-have. This product greatly improves skin texture and appearance. I've used it for years and would not use anything else. It won't dry your skin, and you won't believe how your skin feels and glows. It's a great product. You won't be disappointed. My skin is so much brighter and softer after using this. I have acne-prone skin, so this antioxidant is perfect for me. Yes, it is very expensive, but the bottle lasts a long time, and trust me, the results are worth it. You will become addicted after just a few days. Take it from them. There's a reason this product is so well reviewed, and I'm a huge fan of its counterpart, CF Ferulic. Check out more reviews on the site, and happy shopping.